Hi guys, hi everyone, and for today's video, it's the continuation for the work yesterday, and the workers right now they've been having some snacks. It's already 10:30 in the morning here, and they try their best to finish the roof paint today. Hopefully they can finish it because also the weather is not really good. It's been cloudy that side there, dark clouds on that side, and hopefully they can finish the paint today because tomorrow the panel will be here. They deliver the solar panel by tomorrow, so by Tuesday they're gonna install the solar panel. So hopefully things will work out well here, because we've been looking forward to be finished soon. In this area here, they also paint that color blue. They start to paint that color blue. Manak ko dong, lamat. So it looks nice. So I treat them some snacks and lunch later because they try their best too. So it'd be nice we treat them. So nice. Let me check in the other side, guys. So my husband right now has been taking a bath. He's a little bit better today, but he still have some medication that needs to take. So needs to finish. Di na kuan ka ang pintal paigo. Babaan ni mo. Asa man nakita, ano wa man nakita. So look at the color, guys. My father always keeps complaining about the paint, like they need to be more paint because it show up the color. My husband is over there. Our house looks different now because there's a paint in the roof. Oh, so hot. Oh, come on. It's a good thing that it's a have sunshine this morning, but it's cloud up the other side, so hopefully weather will be good today.
Are you painting the other side?
They start painting.
Huh?
They start painting the other side.
Yeah, because I want it painted first because solar panels coming tomorrow.
Yeah, I told them. Ay, so hot.
What do you think?
Look. What you think? What you think is the thing? Virgil don't like the color.
Oh,
He said that it's not much the house. The color blue.
well, that's all that's available.
Yeah, we can't find the other color because some of the color that we really want, they don't have enough.
Enough stock.
They don't have enough stock, so we chose that color blue. So hopefully,
And this is
But it's
common
nice.
stock here, so if we need to add more, we can.
yeah.
Without
Because if we choose the other one, what if they have no stock on the next time?
Yeah, or needed some touch-up paint or whatever.
Yeah.
The main thing is protect. That's all
They're
that
eating their snacks. They're eating their snacks right now, baby.
matters.
They're eating their snacks.
Huh? Oh, why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Gutom, hungry.
Really? Why?
So, see you guys
They should be
later.
able to knock it.
Hi guys, it's me again, Grace. So, this is the look here now at our house. It's really nice, guys. And the paint is almost finished. I'm so glad that the paint is exact because we thought that we need more paint, and we got lucky that it's enough because one of our worker, they went to City Hardware this afternoon, and the problem is they don't have stock for the color blue. So they go back here, and thankfully that the paint is enough, guys. So I'm so happy that everything is okay now, and right now they've been cleaning the panel so that they can put it back, and my husband is been helping them for the bracket because this panel here, before we're gonna transfer it to the other side, and they're gonna change the position of the bracket. So I'm gonna go there. So we've been so busy today. So they're gonna put the bracket, and needs to be cleaned also after here. They're gonna clean it. Are you excited? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Be 8,000, over 8,000 watts.
8,000 watts.
Yeah.
So tomorrow they're gonna deliver the
Yeah. 55 plus 3, so it'd be 8,500 watts.
8,500 watts, included the 10 panels.
Yeah.
Wow.
And one more battery should put us at zero electricity. Bill.
That's good to hear.
And guess
So
what? At that, the return on this will be paid for what we spent
yeah,
today. 10 months.
10 months
10 months.
we can get our money back.
Money back in 10
Wow.
months.
So the only problem that we're gonna get is the one more battery. So hopefully we can get the other
I can
battery
almost do it now.
so that we can have, so that we cannot pay electric bill, zero electric bill. Wow, I'm so
The
excited,
first day, the zero bill I get, I'm gonna
especially
take a picture.
what?
The first zero bill we get, I'm gonna take pictures.
Yeah,
Me and you together holding pictures. Zero bill.
that'd be nice.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that they already finished the painting today,
Oh yeah.
and also the weather
this will go
good today.
This will go as planned.
Yeah,
But we're getting the other panels. They'll be here tomorrow.
yeah, they're gonna deliver the new
I
panels
get
tomorrow.
lucky enough this time out to install them.
So you need to tell the guy that maybe they can install tomorrow because it's already finished the paint. So maybe they can install by tomorrow.
Because we have no solar at the moment.
Yeah, we
I
don't
do have backup.
use solar right now because we take off all the panel.
The batteries are good for probably 8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours, the battery, the backup battery.
That's the reason I said one more battery. So that'll give you another 4 hours. So it's 12 hours.
Kuya Alan is putting the
12 to 14 hours.
bracket.
See why I say stuff like a piece of like a stick? Most
They-
people would throw that away.
They're gonna use it for the measurement.
Not only that, it protects the panel when they drill a hole.
Yeah.
Most people throw that away and then they have to find some way to protect it. So if you drill into a panel, it will break.
Mm-hmm.
I destroyed one that way. The reason I know.
Yeah.
It was just fortunate. It was just a small panel, about 10 or 15 watts.
What did you do with that?
Huh?
What did you do
With what?
with that panel?
I don't even remember what happened to it.
I think you give.
Yeah,
Oh, Willie is export.
yeah, he's professional.
No.
Yeah, he's a professional.
Balihon daya. Ang sa ibag-ibali ang kuan.
Walang balhin.
Oh, ha? Gani kay lahi man ni siya position go.
Oh, that washing was great.
Yeah, they already washed that panel to the other side. They already washed it.
And those are Willie's, and I'm gonna give him the. I've got a battery on one of those.
Ha?
Lahotan na grinder na lang. Kapaday.
How about the grinder? Really bought one of our panel,
Huh?
the big one, the small one, the two small one.
Yeah.
Then he's asking if the
Grinder.
grinder can be
Itong bulkitan.
okay for that.
The grinder.
Yeah, grinder, that grinder ba for the fixing the tire.
Well, if you got an inverter,
O kung gihanglan jud kag inverter.
Ano na ito na?
Kuan man to, solar controller man to.
Controller.
controller.
Inverter ba katong he's asking what is inverter.
That's what makes electricity.
Katong siya mo kuan sa para sa kanang kuan.
Sige na. Islang controller. Kuan.
O katong para sa huwa ba to inverter dapat CR o mga auto.
Katong ko ang controller. Ito para na. Kuan.
What said what is the controller?
That drops the 40 volts down to 12 volt for the battery.
Kung siya man ay mag-control sa kuan sa battery ba pila ang gibugahon.
Without it,
Palit po ko ato niyan.
Oh, para pag kuan kung mogamit sa grinder kung suga ra dili ra. If he use the light only, no need to have the inverter.
12 volt light.
12 volt ra nga suga imong magamit. 12 volt.
Hindi na pareho rin. Ano?
About that one, the one they got in there in the house.
No, those are 220.
Huh?
Those are 220.
220? So
Yeah.
that light is very small.
Yeah.
Palit na naka-inverter, Willie. Naramay tag 5 mil. Para magamit nimo bitaw kay
Nyara.
gamay ra din suga imong magamit ato kuan ra.
You can get 12 volt lights.
12 volts ko no.
Kuan na mo na. Kuan na pulawan.
Palit kag suga nga 12 volts daw.
Ako inya. Nyara na tayo na. Kuan ang panako rin. Ganing.
Because I started out with 12 volt light, if you remember.
Kay kuan ba mabalik ra mangyapon na nimo.
Kuan ang panako. Ganing. Ako ko'y palit. Kuan ang panako.
Chordero nimo.
Dai, may piling na kuan dai. Dami.
Ina si Willie ko ipakwa iyaha man na.
Ayaw. Ayaw ra kanara.
So one of my my two relatives they gonna buy the two of our small panel and one one panel that is bigger and it have a little damage on it, so we sold them, but the other one it's damaged, it still function and they're gonna use it so that they have a backup electricity when it's run out. They can use light. So they almost finish cleaning the panel and they're gonna put it at the top. One of our chickens, guys.
Okay, guys, it's evening time. They've got it painted. And we're reinstalling my original solar panels on the north side. Yeah. I'm sitting here coaching them. That's all the panels. Hello, Gino. Well, you know, Gino.
Hello, Philippines!
World. Hello, world. I've been waiting a long time for this project. Long time. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in a little bit when they get down to close to the end. Oh, they're all installed now. All 10 of them. And they're just not connected. We'll probably do that tomorrow or Tuesday. Waiting on the other guy to bring the other panels. I'll let him make all the connections.
Lisod kay na.
And we'll do a little tree trimming here too. Okay, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. And don't forget to smile and live long and prosper.